Some people, me come to share that one here with you know, quick and fast. You see me I say, Swiftly come address Brit, you know what I mean? Cause Brit, I blame him for what happened to Earl Dawg. I say him involved in it and whatever. And him also talk about what him and the youth will drop out talk about before him left Jamaica, cause him did that Jamaica with them to a celebrate and something, you know my people. Seeing so we're gonna get in it and hear what Swiftly have to say. But people, me tell you something man, when I hurt this feeling I forget accused of doing something, especially analyzing somebody when you have nothing at all to do with it. Although Brit have no head and we know say, you know what I mean, she have mental issue. The dog still feel some type of way and him also address the girl when he a Muma rich. You see me I say, he make sure make them know say yo, he would have never forgive them for this what them say about him. You can't call up a person name and I say them maybe do it even better name may I defend to my people when them I say him involved in it. You can't call up a person name for something like that because there is no way to tell them say yo I'm sorry when you call up them name for something like that and somebody go take action and analyze them. Oh yeah go tell them say you're sorry. You see me I say never you do that brethren. You see me? Cause enough of the people them mess up on social media speculate and them attack and I say a him and a him and a him. You can't do them something there and say you can't do them something them people. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get into it and hear what Swiftly I say.
On just a spread be a rumor bro. Be a rumor and a spread bro. Be a rumor and a spread. Everybody out there bro, I pray for the dog thank you bro. Everybody out there pray for the dog thank you so much. Everybody will pray thank you so much bro. But one thing me I tell you Brit, you never forgive you bro. And the next girl, never. I'm just leave it to God Muma. I have nothing more to say to you. Just leave it to God. Just leave it to God bro. Can't believe bro. To know me can't believe. Can't believe bro, dog is that money that. Man for just there bro. But the man is stay. You know why the man go up? The man say bro, you know why me I go up Swiss? All of me youth them bro. I grow them different from their mother. Them stay with their mother bro. And this are the hungry baby we I grow with. I mean now make him 4 months past me. And that the man said to make him go up in because the man have a music video for shooting him. And I said bro just billing me bro. I start out for Yara because my daughter sick. And the man look at me and the man said to me say bro I have to go up Swiss. I don't tell myself say bro I nah miss nothing out of that baby alive. I nah miss nothing. In 4 months I come I have to go up for him 4 months. And I said, bro, remember before you tell me, you know, before you even meet Yannick, you look at me and tell me, say, bro, you see the next woman where you're there with, you now make the pitney grow with the mother alone. You grow with a father. You make the pitney grow with a father and a mother. That's why the man go up in a bro. That's why the man go up in a bro. Because of the baby in a bro. The man go up because of his son, you know. The man said, bro, nah miss my son 4 months Swiss. I go up and bring up Yannick, spend the baby 4 months and come back Thursday, bro. The man call everybody and tell them say I come back Thursday. Ramish know the man I come back Thursday. Ding Dong know him I come back Thursday. My mother, my brother, everybody knows say the man I come back Thursday, bro. That the man have a music video for shoot. And these are the first me ever come to Jamaica and I go back quick. I not stay at Jamaica more than 3 days. The first, bro, I never come to Jamaica yet and stay for you. We never come with people, them all just say, just come to Jamaica yet, go back. I first, I said, I stay, so I stay because I Yara, bro, and my daughter sick. Bad. My daughter sick, bad. And I said, I now go. And wake up, bro, and hear some freak in there, man. I'm my next friend. Broken bone. I hear it time, my father. And I hear it time, my father. I hear it time, bro. I hear it time, bro. I hear it time, I'm just dying for him wake up, bro. I just, you know, right now, bro, nothing no good. Nothing no good, bro. Nothing no good, bro. Swear to God, bro. I pray to Father God, as a Father God, just make everybody just go home, reach home safe. Nothing happen to nobody. Boy, come here, Father God. Come here, Father God. No, bro, come here, Father God, is too busy, bro, to answer me. My dog is too busy to answer me, bro. My Father God is busy to answer me, bro. Pray, bro. Mr. Father God, I make no harm to nobody. I make no argument. I make no fight. I make no go out with nobody. Just make everybody reach home good. I make no mix up. I make nobody ever turn on them live and bring me down and say this. I know not to nobody at all, bro. I beg you do. Please. Alright, come live. No sermon anybody there. Sermon anybody there, bro. Sermon anybody there. Me did it, bro. Who you go? That's what I know. That's what I know, bro. Cause once Father called me in the morning when I'm down in Florida, and him say, yo, I put on my clothes, you know. If me ever tell him, say, bro, I'm not going, I'm tired. Nah, go.
Although somebody drop out, you know what I mean, you still have to give thanks, say, yo, I know everybody gone, you know what I mean. So let me know what you think in the comment section, my people, because yo, Jano, this is a sad situation. But give thanks to the G still alive, RIP to the youth to drop out. You know what I mean, him have to know him a move, you know. And if him can move out of Florida, it'll be a good thing. You see me, I say, cause him attack all and how much enemies him have a Florida. Don't stay there. Look how America big. A long time should have left. Especially now that him have a family and thing. You understand? Him should have left long time and find a different place go and go chill out there, so you see me. But you know what I mean, maybe now I'm gonna make a decision for left because him a family and you know what I mean. You better look out for them because anything can happen at any time. So let me know what you think we're gonna listen to some more my people.
One thing, bro, with him and Joe, then listen to me. Then listen, bro. One thing I do friendship we have, bro, listen to each other, bro. We listen to each other, bro. You say, bro, you nah go. Say, dog, who to go? We listen, bro. Before we come to Jamaica, bro, you have one party keep in Florida and call Ice Cream Sunday, bro. And before we come to Jamaica, bro, the dog want Ice Cream Sunday, and the whole of we sit down and we say, yo, bro, dog say we got Ice Cream Sunday, and I say, bro, nah, gonna Ice Cream Sunday, bro. We got Ice Cream Sunday. I say, bro, we are billion. I will never go Ice Cream Sunday, bro. You never go. None of them never go. I will stay in and sleep. Bro. I don't know, bro. So, I'm just showing it to dog. You know what tomorrow bring. No one know what tomorrow bring. Nobody know that. Today, day, tomorrow can gone, bro. Can day today and tomorrow gone. Can day happy tomorrow. And nobody never know this will happen, bro. Nobody that thinks this will happen, bro. Can day good and live up your life, bro, and it just gone. My life just get take closer, bro. Bro. Life is like a glass cup. Life is fragile. Can't believe it, bro. So last night, bro, I wake up. Last night, I wake up. I got up on the screen record them, me and the dog, I be a laugh, we a laugh. Everybody may look and do 1 and 6 and everybody can do them and we all laugh. And I say the weekend was such a nice weekend. Biggs in a custody. Biggs in a custody. Biggs not getting a shot. Bro, I'm gonna ask you now, bro, when you see me wear one shirt and the cross turned upside down, bro, and they say me sacrifice. Where does go for sacrifice, bro? May I sacrifice somebody to make a party full? But me really wonder about you, bro. May I sacrifice somebody to make a party full, bro? Let me really wonder if you write it, bro. And you really, bro, me really ask you, bro, may I sacrifice somebody to make a party full, bro? When the rain could have fall and wash the party. Bro, when you see one expound the one shirt and the cross turned upside down, and I gotta tell me say, yeah, and I gotta tell me say, bro, me sacrifice.
What me have to say to Sicily, you know what I mean? Don't feed into the negativity what you see online. People are gonna have them things to say. You know what I mean? People have their mouth to talk and them are gonna talk what them a say. What is sacrificing? You see me I say, what is selling soul? You know what I mean? Them they are just what people think say you have to do for reach on top and make certain amount of money. Because enough of them don't have the talent, them don't have the drive, and them don't motivate themselves fit look it. You see me I say, not everybody are gonna reach on the top. So when a person from out of the ghetto reach to a certain level of success, them are gonna say that. You know what I mean? And you just not have to pay them no mind or pay them no attention. You understand? Yeah, clear your name and make them know say yo come off of my name and whatever. But don't feed into what them a say. Because you see people when don't have nothing to do, them talk about people business. That's all them can do because them not have nothing to do more than chat people. You see me? So just go and hold it, you know what I mean? And know say yo people now, real people, nah listen to what Brit say, need for the next girl.